This animal doesn't just hunt, it executes perfectly. Meet the Jaguar, one of the most dangerous big cats in the wild. Silent, powerful, and extremely precise, Jaguars have the strongest bite among big cats. They don't go for the neck. They crush the skull directly. They hunt from above, jumping on their prey with perfect timing, giving no chance to escape. Unlike most cats, jaguars love water. They can swim, hunt fish, and even attack crocodiles. Fast, silent, and deadly accurate. That's what makes the jaguar a perfect predator. Nature teaches survival. Follow Wolf, the teacher for more.